Hi there, I'm Mary Baker,
And I'm Heidi Borsch.
and we'd like to introduce you to Sherry Zach Morris, our guest teacher for the day. Sherry will be guiding you through our Chair Yoga for Cancer Recovery portion of our training today. We're so excited to have you here, Sherry.
So excited to be here, you guys. Thank you so much
Awesome.
for the opportunity, as
Absolutely.
always. Thank you so much. I just want you all to know that this is a very special class for me. I feel very, very honored to be in your presence because you are the bright lights. You are the vessels of hope and cheer and joy and love that you bring to all these people who are experiencing physical limitations, maybe pain, fear, and you're there to bring the light, right? So what I do and what I specialize in is yoga for the 50-plus population. So as we know, the 50-plus population probably has a lot of aches and pains. Would you think so? Absolutely. And part of that population absolutely has gone through some cancer situations as well. So I've had the great opportunity to have people in cancer recovery in my chair yoga classes, as well as seniors who are 60, 70, 80, and 90 years old. And it's so much fun, you guys, to just share. So I just kind of want to start off with just saying each and every one of us as teachers is completely different. So you're going to see my style is probably much different than another style. Some people are really good at anatomy, some people are really good at linear alignment cues, some people just love to do meditation and visualization and all those kind of guided methodologies. But what I like to do is to move and dance and have fun and bring joy into our spirits. Because what I really feel that we need in this world, no matter if you're 100% healthy or you're not, is more joy. Is more joy to be able to take all of those little worries and those cares that we all have, put them off to the side when we do our yoga practice, and when we come back, we're like, wow, I just felt a whole burden lifted from me. That's what I'm hoping you guys will experience in this workshop with me. And we're gonna be dancing, we're gonna have fun, you're gonna learn a lot of good things. I am an anatomy geek, I love anatomy so much. I love it. So I'll be weaving a lot of that in there. And I also work a lot with other modalities and complementary holistic practices. So I'm going to bring those in too. So you're going to have lots of different things going on today.